All right, so this is my lesson plan for EDT 377. So the class and subject area, this is a high school English class, and it could actually work for all secondary grade levels. I feel like whatever grade level you want, you might have to edit exactly what your expectations are, how deep you want the students to go. But the basic outline will work for all students, even in middle school if you really want to push it. And you might have to edit it a little bit, but like the basic idea could even work for middle school. So the topic is defending a thesis with evidence from the text, and it's a debate. The objective is that students will, as a group, create arguments for provided thesis using evidence from a text. And it's going to look like this. We'll start class with an whole class discussion about the text and to prove that students have read it, to engage their prior knowledge, and to get them thinking about the upcoming activity. Then I'll, pretty much just tell them that we're doing a debate and give them the basic instructions. They'll be split into two groups, and each group will be given a thesis statement that I actually come up with, not one that they think. So that way they have to develop evidence for other people's opinions. And they'll have 20 minutes to find this evidence and to create defense, and then they will debate. And when they're done, they'll return to their desks and vote on who won the debate by writing a reflection, and they'll also explain why they feel like that person won, or that group won, not that person.